Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Fidelity app notifications for price alerts, account activity, or important updates? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Go to your phone settings, scroll down to find Fidelity Investments on your installed app list, and then tap it and tap notifications. Make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's green, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none, since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well, and make sure that time sensitive notifications is enabled, since price and account alerts benefits from breaking through quiet settings. Scroll back to the top of your settings or search for focus. Tap on it and go through each focus mode you use. Leave do not disturb personal and make sure Fidelity isn't in the silenced app list under each one. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Fidelity, allow notifications on, time sensitive enabled, focus mode checked, Fidelity alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.